And then the next point onto the protein, what we encourage all the time is trying to incorporate more whole, real foods with the protein, carbs, and fat. So whole, real foods, it's foods that you can naturally find: chicken, beef, fruits, vegetables, those type of things, nuts, seeds, all those things. We try to encourage to get more of those whole real foods as much as possible. Now, why is that important? It's important because that's going to help decrease some of the inflammation going on in the body.
Yeah.
And what's inflammation do? Well, inflammation holds on to fluid, water, bloating, all that extra stuff that, may not accumulate a lot of extra weight, but you'd be surprised how much it can add up over a long period of time on an individual's body. So by just working even in that area, that's another factor that we try to add in there on top of then the protein that will allow us to actually eat more and lose weight.
Right.
You know, lose some of that water weight, lose some of that bloating, that inflammation going on throughout the body.
And let's not forget that usually when you're eating fruits and veggies, and especially things like berries, obviously all your vegetables, for the most part, you can eat more of it because there's not going to be as many calories, and it's also going to be very nutrient dense. So that's one thing people don't take into account is what nutrients are in your food can help your hormone function and bring that part of your body out of a deficiency. Your body's then going to be more apt to shed fat because it's happy on the inside. It's getting all these nutrients. So you could eat more vegetables, you could eat more food, you can increase that. Whereas if I eat a donut or some chips, it's going to be very, very carb heavy. And I'm not going to be able to eat a lot of that. And it's also going to be digested faster, which is going to leave me hungry sooner rather than later. And it's a plethora of effects that happen. So I know we're diving in a little bit deeper there than just, the calories, but that definitely, it's like levels, right? Usually people who start, they're eating, just trying to hit their calories and macros, and we move them on to more whole foods, and we keep on growing and learning.
Yeah, so I mean, it's